Hi everyone. If you run an SMMA, you need a solid way to invoice clients. Today we're comparing Stripe and PayPal to help you pick the best one. Let's keep it quick and simple. First, Stripe. Stripe is an online payment platform that's great for businesses needing flexibility. You can create professional invoices right from its dashboard, set up recurring payments for subscriptions, and customize everything to match your brand. It supports over 135 currencies, perfect for global clients. The catch? Setup can be a bit tricky if you're not tech savvy, and you'll need a developer for advanced features. Fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, with an extra 0.4% for invoicing after the first 25 free invoices monthly. Now PayPal. PayPal is super user-friendly and widely trusted, with over 400 million users. You can send invoices for free through its business app, add your logo, and schedule recurring payments easily. It works in 200 plus countries and supports 25 currencies. Fees are higher at 3.49% plus 49 cents per invoice, and customization is limited compared to Stripe. But it's a breeze to set up, no coding needed. Comparison time. Ease of use. PayPal wins for beginners. It's simple, no tech skills required. Stripe needs more setup know-how. Fees. Stripe is cheaper for invoicing, especially for high-volume businesses with lower transaction fees. PayPal fees add up faster. Customization. Stripe's better for tailored invoices and subscriptions. PayPal keeps it basic with logo tweaks. Global reach. PayPal's in more countries, but Stripe's handle more currencies. Great for international SMMA clients. Client trust. PayPal's brand is more recognized, which can boost client confidence. Who is it for? Choose Stripe if you want customizable invoices, lower fees, and global currency support for a growing SMMA. Go with PayPal if you need a quick, simple setup and clients already trust the brand. For most SMMAs, Stripe edges out slightly for its flexibility and cost saving, but PayPal's ease is hard to beat for startups. That's it. Pick what fits your vibe and start invoicing like a pro. Drop a comment if you want more tips. Like and subscribe for more videos.